Hey guys, very quick, I'm just showing you how I made my coconut milk deep conditioner. Honey, some oil, whatever you want to throw in it. Very easy. So try it out and let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and I'm still on my natural deep conditioner journey. So this time I am coming with, it's a little weird, but this is my coconut milk mixture. And I added some olive oil to it in the very end. I don't know if I recorded me adding olive oil to it, but I did add olive oil to it. And since coconut oil, they say it's kind of like a protein treatment, I'm not going to do my rice water today. I've been doing my rice water consistently every 2 weeks, and I love it. It, like, once I put it in my hair is so soft, and I love it. But this week, I'm not going to use it. Well, this wash, I'm not going to use it because I don't want to use too much protein on my hair. So I just washed my hair with apple cider vinegar and the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 cast out soap. So I did show you that shampoo in my video where I'm showing you what I'm telling you what's new for the new year. So I did show you guys that. So this is how my hair is looking, and I'm still taking my biotin, and my face is like kind of breaking out, but that'll be in an update video on my biotin. So, but this video is just going to be on this coconut milk deep conditioner, and my hair it looks so much thicker, guys. Like, y'all see this? So what I'm going to do is just start sectioning off little sections, and I'm just going to put it on my hair because I don't know, I thought the coconut milk would have been a little bit more thicker. But, I mean, it's still milk, so I guess it's supposed to be a little runny. So, yeah, I'm just going to put this on all over my hair like so. No type of, you know, way to do it. Just kind of making sure that all of my hair gets the mixture. And it's pretty much it. Make sure I get the ends as well. It's very runny. I might end up putting this in a spray bottle depending on how it goes for the rest of my hair. But it's a little runny. Thought it'd been a little thicker. So yeah. Once I'm finished applying my mixture, I will be sitting under that good old steamer. It's made so much of a difference, guys, when I do my deep conditioner. It's just, you just feel the difference from steaming your hair to just going under a dryer or just using a plastic cap for, you know, an hour. I sit under the steamer for 20-25 minutes, and when I come out, child, my hair is like a whole new person. So, sorry if you can't really see me. I'm trying to like put this mixture on my hair, and I'm doing it over the sink so that it doesn't run all over me. So yeah. I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed. I really thought it would have been a little thicker. Oh, let me just show you my shedded hair that came out. This, you can see it? All that came out from that side. And I didn't comb my hair prior to this. I just washed it. So, trying to be as gentle as possible. And put this mixture on my hair. But yes, guys, if you do not have a steamer, I'm telling you, you're missing out. That steamer is life. My hair feels and looks so much different from using that. And I'm sure it has a lot to do with the natural products that I'm using, but still, like, that steamer is the bomb. Even when I did my avocado mask, I didn't really like it, but once I came out that steamer, that avocado did its thing. Still probably want to use it again, but it did its thing. So still have a lot of this left, and I use 1 can, so I'm just going to take my hair and dip it directly into the bowl. Like so I'm not wasting any product. So dip it into the bowl. And let it just go over my hair like so. Yeah, I'm not into wasting nothing. Let me put my towel over me. I see this wants to get a little messy. Into the same to the other side, just dip the ends directly to this bowl. Oopsie daisy. Yeah, this is a bit messy. I don't know. I really thought it would look thicker. I don't know why I thought that. So just making sure I get everywhere. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is really messy. So pour the rest on like so. Okay. So now it's all in my hair. Hair is very saturated with this. So I'm going to go under the steamer now. And then I'll come back and show you how it looks without being washed out. So this is how my hair looks now. Show you how my hair looks. So I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks once I'm done with the steamer. Okay, so I just stepped out of the steamer and this is how my hair is looking. Very refreshed. So I'm gonna let it cool off for a little while and then I'm going to wash it out. Let me show you. Is the back. So it's always good to, once you step out of the steamer or hair dryer, whatever, let your hair cool off before you actually go in and wash it out. And that's pretty much it for this conditioner. So far my hair, like I said, I just came out of the steamer, so my hair is really soft automatically. I'll come back when I wash it out and show you guys how it looks and how it feels and give you my thoughts. So this is just how it looks right out of the steamer. So I'll be back with the next clip. Okay guys, so I literally just came out the shower and this is how my hair is looking. My hair feels so moisturized. Like I kept running my hands through my hair like, wow. And I know it has a lot to do with the honey because honey is an humectant and it's keep that moisture in your hair. But child, do you see this? Like my hair is super moisturized. I detangled with my fingers, no comb. It's wow. I love it. I think I wish that the consistency was a little better, but the way my hair feels right now, how soft it is, like it could be as runny as it wants to be because that deep conditioner was the truth. It really was. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe, and just just let me know what you think, what I should do, what I should try. But I'll see you later.